Your car is not just a car, it's a personal tech zone. You spend hours in your car every week, so why not make it smarter, cleaner, and way more comfortable? In this video, we're exploring top 5 premium interior upgrade accessories, from smart chargers to sleek organizers, that will elevate your car's look and make your ride feel luxurious in 2025. Let's dive into the details. If you want extra storage and arm comfort while driving, and tired of a messy car interior, well, you're in luck. Checking out this upgraded car armrest cover, a game changer for organization and long drive comfort. This is not just armrest cover, it has 2 side pockets, fit phones, keys, and cards. No more digging around seats. It's made with soft microfiber leather with diamond stitching for luxurious look and easy cleanup. Plus anti-slip dots keep it secure without damaging your console. Installation takes 10 seconds. Just loop the elastic under the lid, and you're done. No tools, no adhesives, and it won't budge while driving. It's available with 5 colors, means matches any car style. Don't forget to measure your console to ensure the perfect fit. If you're ready to upgrade your ride, check the link below. If you're tired of backseat passengers always asking to charge their phones, well, your search ends here. If you love road trips with family, or you're a rideshare driver for Uber or Lyft, and you're tired of messy cables, meet this 3-in-1 retractable car charger. This is a genius solution that backseat passengers charge their phones without the cable chaos. No more tangled wires or passengers fighting over chargers. It keeps everything organized and within reach. Installation takes 30 seconds. Just slide the non-slip buckle on your seat headrest post. Done. It's have cables, Lightning for iPhones, USB-C for newer Androids and iPhones, micro USB for older devices. That means no more searching for right cables or buying separate ones. Even it has LED indicators, so you always know when your devices are charging. If you want to check it out, I'll drop the link in the description. Tired of warm drinks? No problem, chill on the go with this sleek red mini fridge. Keep your beverages cold anytime. This electric cooler with 4 liters capacity, store up to 6 cans of your favorite beverages or snacks. Keep them chilled and ready to enjoy. You can also use the interior space of this countertop mini fridge for skincare products and beauty tools. This mini fridge is portable and perfect for on-the-go use. With convenient carrying handle, a heavy-duty locking latch, and door hinge, your items stay securely stored wherever you take it. This cooler offers flexible power options, a 12-volt car adapter, and 110-volt home outlet, ensuring you can use it wherever you go. Keeps your drinks cold for hours. Grab yours now. Perfect for your desk, car, or bedroom. Do you want charger, laptop, phone, and more anywhere in the car? This 200-watt car power inverter transforms your 12-volt car outlet into a 110-volt AC power station with USB-C fast charging port and more. This little powerhouse, charge your laptop, phone, small appliances, and even a mini fridge, all at once. It's have 2 US standard AC outlets, delivering 110V pure sine wave power, plus 4 USB ports, including a 20-watt USB-C PD and 18-watt fast charge USB, so you can charge up multiple devices at top speed. And thanks to advanced cooling tech, it runs quietly without overheating, so your gear stays safe while charging. This 200-watt car power inverter is compact and powerful solution for road trips, emergencies, and everyday use. Are you struggling with blinding glare while driving? Your windshield doesn't block UVA rays. Over 9,000 vehicle accidents related to sun glare each year. First, Polarized Sun Visor with a scratch-resistant PC lens, zipper-adjustable shading, and UV 400 protection. It's not just a sun visor, it's optical armor, and eliminates dangerous sun glare instantly. This game-changer polarized anti-glare visor, engineered to block 100% of UV rays and give you crystal-clear vision on the road. No distortion, no fingerprints, just pure driving safety. This visor uses real polarized optics, the same tech in premium sunglasses. It neutralizes blinding reflections from wet roads, other cars, and skyscrapers, blocking all UV 400 rays. The slider zip adjusts the length one-handed while driving, no fumbling. And this lock mechanism? Once it's set, it won't budge, even on potholes. No slips, no sagging. If you drive more than 20 minutes a day, it's essential safety gear. No more tired eyes. No more dangerous glare. Just clean vision. If you want to check it out, I'll drop the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.